Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to share with you, it's the February Lori Holt subscription fabrics. It's a fat quarter bundle that you get. There are 12 fat quarters of Lori Holt's fabrics, and it's $34.98 a month plus shipping. They've been a little bit behind, and I think they're finally getting caught up. So, like I said, this is the February that I just received last week, and I just got a notice that the March is coming. So let's take a look at her beautiful fabrics. That was perfect for February because of all the red, pink, and white cream. You always get a card that lists all the fabrics with SKU numbers so that if you want to order more, you don't have any problem finding them. So I think I will switch to the overhead camera so you can get a better look at these fabrics. Thanks. Okay, let's take a look at the February fat quarter bundle from Lori Holt. Look at the beautiful colors. Don't know if I want to open them all up. I guess I could. There's a cream with a little red X on it. This one is like a light tan or probably maybe a light pink. I think it's light pink with a little design on it. There, cream background and the cross stitch look. A nice little pink coral color, white flowers. A little bit bigger print. I like that one. This print. So everything is in this color family. I've got some of that from maybe Hometown. A gingham. Color. Cute one. And the cross stitch pattern again, but with a red background. And then this dark, deeper. I like this. I like all of them. Beautiful fabrics. Here's a look at the fabrics after I fold them, the fat quarters, the way I like to store them. And I'll show you that in a minute. So these are my February fabrics, and I've got them all sorted, and they are ready to add to my Lori Holt collection. You can see here, this is what I've gotten so far. I believe this was a daily deal that I bought, but the rest of them, that is a couple months of the Lori Holt fat quarter subscription. I'll put them in here. So that is, I'm getting a pretty good collection of the Lori Holt fabrics. And last month in the Sew Sampler, there were 10-inch squares of Lori Holt. And then these are some of the fabrics for the vintage Christmas quit along, and then a few that I bought extra. So if you like Lori Holt's fabrics, let me know and leave a comment below. I also want to show you my Lori Holt quilt blocks. I'm doing her vintage Christmas quilt along, and this is what I have so far. These 12 are going in the quilt. That's my January, February, and March. And those were some extras. So I am enjoying this, and I thought I'd just give you a little peek at it.